Today we'll be replacing the tail light on the left side of a 2012 Mazda 3. Start by opening the trunk. And there will be several tabs to disconnect, one on each side of the interior. So simply take a fingernail or a flathead screwdriver to get it underneath the middle, pull out the center. Another one down here. Again, fingernail and pull to peel everything back. So this yellow clip, brake light, to remove the socket, grab on the tire piece, turn counterclockwise, and pull. The old bulb though, you could just pull right out. Type 7443, link in the description below. Push. Just as you took it out, you line up these two tabs with the two sockets of the hole. Then you turn clockwise and you should hear a click. Click. You can insert each of the tail pieces in each spot just as you disassemble them. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.